Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Hello, fashion lovers. Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today, we are taking a delightful trip back in time to the fabulous 1950s, a decade renowned for its distinctive and timeless fashion. Whether you are looking to channel the elegance of Audrey Hepburn, the playfulness of Marilyn Monroe, or the classic charm of Grace Kelly, 1950s fashion offers something for everyone. In this video, we will explore key elements of 1950s outfits, from dresses and skirts to accessories and hairstyles. Let's dive in and discover how you can incorporate vintage style into your modern wardrobe. The iconic 1950s silhouette. The 1950s silhouette is all about accentuating the feminine figure. Think cinched waists, full skirts, and fitted bodices. This silhouette creates an hourglass shape that flatters many body types and exudes a timeless elegance. Full skirt dresses. Full skirt dresses are perhaps the most iconic element of 1950s fashion. These dresses often feature fitted bodices and cinch at the waist with skirts that flare out to create a voluminous silhouette. Fabrics like cotton and satin were popular, often adorned with polka dots, floral prints, or gingham patterns. To achieve this look, you can wear a vintage inspired dress with a petticoat underneath to add volume. Pair it with some classic pumps and a matching handbag for an authentic 1950s vibe. Pencil skirts for a more tailored look. The pencil skirt was a wardrobe staple in the 1950s. These skirts hug the hips and taper down to the knees, creating a sleek and sophisticated silhouette. Pencil skirts are perfect for both casual and formal settings. Pair a high-waisted pencil skirt with a fitted blouse or sweater. Tuck in your top to emphasize the waistline and add a belt for extra definition. Complete the look with some kitten heels and pearl jewelry. Tops and blouses. The 1950s saw a variety of tops and blouses that complemented the full skirts and pencil skirts of the era. Fitted blouses with Peter Pan collars, boat necks, and sweetheart necklines were all the rage. Cardigans and sweaters were essential layering pieces in the 1950s. Cropped cardigans, in particular, were popular as they complemented the high waisted skirts and pants of the time. Look for cardigans with cute details like embroidered flowers or pearl buttons. Paired a cropped cardigan with a full skirt or pencil skirt for a cozy yet stylish look. You can also drape the cardigan over your shoulders and tie it in front for the classic 1950s style. Pants and capris. While skirts and dresses dominated 1950s fashion, pants and capris also had their moment. High-waisted cigarette pants and capris were popular for casual and leisure wear. Cigarette pants are fitted pants that taper at the ankle, creating a sleek and streamlined look. They were often made of stretchy material for comfort and ease of movement. Pair them with a fitted blouse or a knit top for a chic casual outfit. Thank you so much for joining Luna Fashion and Beauty, and we wraps up our exploration of 1950s outfit. We hope you're inspired to add some lace to your details to your 1950s fabrics. Until next time, stay stylish, have fun, enjoy timeless beauty.